Hey guys, I'm just checking in on day 4 of the fruit cleanse. Things are going well. Been really pounding the OJ. Lots of orange juice. Eating the pulp, of course. You want to eat that pulp. That way you're not getting that sudden burst of sugar. You know, it's more of a slow release when you get the pulp with it. So a lot of OJ, big salad, fruit bowl. For lunch, I had bananas in there, I had dates, I had strawberries, blueberries, and sapodilla. A nice bowl of that, really good. And then tonight, I'm just going to have some bananas with maybe some greens, blend in some greens, or I may do bananas and celery. That's a nice combo. If you've never had that, it's a really nice combination. Celery's great. It's natural sodium, and that natural sodium acts as a solvent in your body, and it breaks up uric acid crystals and things like that in your joints. So celery's a good food if you have joint problems. It really acts like that solvent, the natural sodium. So things are going great. I'm on day 4. I'm just going to go 7 this time with no overt fats. And then I'm going to go back to pretty much my regular diet. My son-in-law got my wife and I one of these Excalibur 9-tray dehydrators. We had a kind of, that round one we had, that was kind of a cheap one, and you couldn't really do a lot. But this one is amazing. So, we want to try that out. My wife has been trying it a little, and you can make some amazing things. Now, of course, remember, you're removing the water, so you're losing some benefit from the raw food. But, the vitamins, the enzymes are still there. You haven't killed it. It's not a dead food. So it's a nice alternative to have something different once in a while. So give me a like, give me a thumbs up. First time here, please subscribe to the channel. And yeah, I'm going to go Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, 3 more days, then Thursday night, I may, around 5 or 6 p.m., just have a light little fruit bowl, and then the next day, go back to normal eating, which is, not much different from what I'm doing now, but I'm not going to be adding, I will be adding some nuts and seeds, avocados, but remember, you don't want to hammer those foods. You don't want to pound the nuts, the seeds, and the avocados. They're very nice. They're definitely a good addition to your diet, but keep it, within reason. You only want about 10%. Maybe up to 15, stay in that range, 10 to 15 max of your daily calories coming from fats. All the best, guys. Have a great one out there.